Hello guys, how are we doing? I hope you're all well. I am so excited about today's video. We're going to be doing a misguided clothing haul today, an awesome winter clothing haul. Once again, you guys know I am just so in like the autumn winter fashion this year. I'm just like living for it. Misguided have got so many cute pieces on the website at the minute as well. All of the recent launches, and I just feel like all of the launches in general when it comes to this time of year, they just get spot on. Like all of the pieces on the website at the minute are just so cute. I've got so many cute pieces to share with you here as well. This video is in collaboration with Misguided as well. As you guys know, I do have a running contract with them, which I'm super proud of. They're honestly one of my favorite brands to work with. Love the brand, I love the people, and I obviously love the clothing as well. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I picked up. All of the links will be in the description bar down below as well. And I do have a discount code for you guys, which is super exciting as always. So I'm going to pop it on the screen here just because I'm not entirely sure what the code is yet, but I'll put it on the screen here and it will be in the description bar down below as well. So be sure to use it and save yourself some money if you are shopping on Misguided anytime soon, which you should be after you see some of these pieces. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna get stuck in. So the first thing I may as well talk about is the shirt that I'm wearing right now, because this is from Misguided. This is basically just it's kind of like a silky sage satin shirt. That was a lot of S's. It's a really beautiful like silky shirt. I just thought this would be so perfect to tuck in with a pair of jeans for like dinners out in the evening and like a pair of baby heels. That's kind of the vibe and like the idea that I've got in mind for it, or with a pair of trainers as well. I think would be really cute. I love sage green. Like, I don't know what it is. Sage green is just one of my favorite shades of green. I think it's so beautiful, so like elegant, classy, perfect for this time of year as well. I feel like it's a really gorgeous kind of like autumnal color, and the fit of this shirt is just dreamy. That is the only way I can describe it. It's so nice on. It feels really comfortable, really soft on the skin. It's a little bit oversized but not too oversized, so feels quite slouchy, which is why I think it'd be really cute tucked into a pair of jeans as well. So this is the first piece that I picked up. I wanted to wear it for this haul because I absolutely love it. And then next up, I thought I would do all of the little like crop tops and cropped vests that I picked up. So the first one again is green. I feel like I'm just really loving green at the minute. It's just such a nice color to wear this time of year. So this is just a kind of like a sleeveless ribbed v-neck cropped vest, as you can see. So I got this in a size 8 and it's like a really gorgeous khaki green color. This is such a simple piece, but I'm not gonna lie, it's literally one of my favorite pieces in this haul. It's so nice in terms of the fit. I really like the material. It's like thick and like stretchy at the same time. Really supportive as well, which I really like. Obviously, I've not got the biggest boobs in the world, so I don't need a ton of support, but I tried this on without a bra and it just fit really, really nicely. I feel like with a pair of joggers or like with a shirt or an oversized like coat or jacket on top, this would just be really, really cute for like layering and all that kind of vibe. So really love that. It's so simple, but it's literally one of my favorite pieces. And then next up, I picked up this little black corset top. So I basically wanted to pick up a really nice like simple black top to wear out in the evening, but also something that you could maybe dress down a little bit in the day. I had this in mind for like a pair of wide leg leather pants and then a pair of like little black heels for like an all black outfit. It's got a zip at the back to help get it on. The fit of this is beautiful. I got it in a size 8. It's nice and like tight and fitted, but still really comfortable on, which I really like. It's got a decent amount of structure to it because it's got like the bones running through the corset, but it's still really comfortable on as well, which I love. I actually saw this on Yasmin Chanel as well, if anyone follows her on Instagram. I saw she posted a picture of it in the other day too, and she styled it with like a pair of black joggers, and I really, really love the way that she styled it. She is so beautiful anyway, but I also love the way that she styles all of her clothes. So I feel like this is a really cute top that you could either dress up or dress down, just something really versatile for this time of year. Okay, and then the next top that I picked up is this little cropped vest top. Is it cropped? In fact, no, it's not actually even that cropped. It's kind of like just a normal vest, like top length. The thing that I really liked about this was the roll neck. You guys know I love a good high neck, roll neck, turtleneck, anything that kind of vibe when it comes to this time of year. And I didn't actually have anything that was this kind of style, in the sense that it was like a sleeveless vest top, if if you know what I'm saying. Really love the colour of this. It's like a really pretty dusky pink colour, so I feel like paired with, again, maybe like a pair of jeans or like a little nude skirt. I've got a really cute like nude skirt that I think would match this really well, and a pair of like boots. That's kind of the vibe that I'm going for with this. It's quite tight to get over the over my head, I'm not gonna lie, but I feel like I do have quite a big head, so that's probably why. But I love the fact that it is then super tight on the neck, so in terms of the fit, it's absolutely perfect as well. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna do loungewear and like joggers and all of that good stuff next, because you guys know that's like joggers and just comfy things are my favorite thing to wear all year round. Like, forget even just this time of year, but especially this time of year as well. I wanted to pick up these because I'm pretty sure this is like a newish style of jogger that MISSGUIDED have brought out. So it's basically a pair of flared like nude cream joggers, as you guys can see. So I honestly have an obsession at the minute with like wide leg and just like really subtle flared joggers and pants. I just think they look so flattering on. They go really well with like a pair of chunky trainers, for example, as well. The thing that I love about these is the fit is just amazing. They're so high-waisted, which I absolutely love, but they've got the drawstring to like really like pull you in on the waist. The length is perfect. You'll see in the try on clip, they're nice and long, which for me is always a bonus, because I feel like being 5'7", sometimes like wide leg trousers run a little bit short on me. They've got the MISSGUIDED logo on the front here, and then they've also got this like lining running down the center of each leg, which is really, really nice on. Really like the color of these. It's kind of like a beige, like a creamy beige color. So I feel like paired with a little white top to match the MISSGUIDED logo, I feel like that will look really, really cute. Honestly, I just can't go over the fit of these. Like, if you're someone that likes high-waisted joggers and pants and you like wide leg trousers, I feel like you'll really, really love these. I got them in a size 8 and they fit absolutely perfectly, so I'm really excited to wear those. Okay, and then another pair of joggers that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I've never tried this style of joggers from MISSGUIDED before. I'm not entirely sure if they're like a new fit and like a new style. I'm pretty sure they're called jumbo joggers on the website. That's what I'm going to go with. I obviously will have linked them down below, but I got these in white. I've actually just ordered them in black as well after I tried them on, because I tried them on and I was like, oh my god, this is what I want my joggers to fit like. So they're nice and high-waisted. They've got this kind of like bungee detail for the waistband, which is nice. You can still like pull it in and really like cinch them in on the waist, which I really love. The thing that I love about these is the fact that you can pull them in so much on the waist, but then they're really, really big on the leg. They almost like balloon out like on the top part, if that makes sense. So they go really tight here and then they kind of just come out, and I just think they look so flattering, so gorgeous on. I really love how slouchy they are, how like comfortable and oversized they are. Really, really love that about joggers. That's kind of what I look for. The only thing that I wish about these is that they're a little bit longer on the leg. They're not quite long enough for me. Like, they're just about long enough that I can get away with them, but I feel like if they shrink in the wash or anything like that, I'm not gonna like them as much, if that makes sense. So I'm really hoping MISSGUIDED bring these out in the tall section as well, because I need these joggers forever. Like, this is by far my favorite fit of joggers I've ever found. Okay, and then next up I got a set. So this is actually a pair of joggers and a sweater. So these are just like a really gorgeous baby blue color. They're kind of in between a baby blue and a sky blue. I just really, really love this color. I feel like blue is such a flattering color as well. They've got the little MISSGUIDED logo here on the leg in the white text. They've got a drawstring waistband to really like tie them in if you want to. They've got really large pockets. The length of these joggers is perfect. This style of jogger in general from MISSGUIDED I've had quite a few times in different colours, and I really, really love the fit of these. I feel like they're just really slouchy, really comfortable. They're fleece lined inside as well, so honestly it just feels like you're sitting on a cloud. Like, that's the only way I can describe it. That's just so nice to wear. And then the sweater is just a really simple sweater to match. So I got this in a size 8. I really love the kind of like the neckline on this. It's like a little bit slouchy, but still obviously like a round neck, so it's really, really comfortable on. It's a little bit cropped, this sweater, as well, which is really nice. So I feel like it tucks into the joggers really well, because I feel like if I'm wearing a two-piece like jogger loungewear set. I really like to tuck my sweater or my hoodie into the joggers, if that makes sense. So yeah, I really love that. Really simple, but just something that I could literally throw on at any time, any day, and it'll look really cute. Next up, we've got another silk shirt. So this one's kind of like a beige colour, like a nudie beige, which is really pretty on. It's a very similar fit to this shirt, which I absolutely love. I feel like shirts this time of year are just staples in my wardrobe, because especially if you're going out for dinner in the evening, I like to have something like a shirt or something that's long sleeve, just so that I'm that extra little bit warmer, if you know what I'm saying. This one has a really cute detail on the sleeves as well. It kind of like ties and then like flares out towards the end of the sleeve, which looks really pretty on. Really soft, really comfortable in terms of the fabric as well. Again, just like tuck into a pair of jeans with a pair of baby heels. I feel like this will look super cute, so really excited to wear that. And then another shirt that I picked up, this one is more of like a casual daytime shirt. This is, as you can see, like a green checked shirt, which I don't know what it is about green at the minute. Like, me and green are just really getting on. I'm just really enjoying a little bit of green. I love the like actual shade of this green as well. It's like a really rich forest green, and it's got little bits of like mustard and white running through it as well, which I thought was really pretty. Kind of wish I'd sized up, so I got this in a 10. I wish I'd like got it in a 12 or maybe even like a 14 and just got it really oversized and really slouchy. I really like when shirts like this are more of like a boyfriend or like a dad fit, but still really cute just to pair with a little vest top underneath, like a little white vest top and a pair of joggers, or a pair of jeans, or a pair of like shorts or whatever else. So really love that. It's really like soft and cozy as well, which we love. And then the rest of this haul is pretty much just like jackets and blazers and coats. So the first jacket that I have here is just like a really gorgeous grey colour. I got this in this colour and also the black, which I'll show you in a minute. I just didn't have anything that was like a grey jacket in my wardrobe, and I feel like grey is such a versatile colour. I also really love the fact that it's got like the black button here. It's a really oversized fit. So I'm pretty sure on the website this is called a blazer coat. So it literally is like the fit of a blazer, but it's a coat material. It's really like nice and feels really comfy on. Just to layer with maybe like black biker boots and like a black leather skirt. I'm pretty sure that's how this was styled on the website as well. The model honestly looked gorgeous in this. Like, that's what sold it to me. I was like, I have to have it. So really excited to style this and see what I come up with. And then this is the black one. I actually prefer the fit of this, so even though I'm pretty sure they're both called a similar thing on the website, I think this one might be tall. This is either from the tall section or it's like an oversized fit of the grey one, because this one is actually a little bit longer, which I really like. I'm actually going to try and style this as like a blazer dress, because it does have a button to button up. So I feel like with a pair of black cycling shorts and like a little black vest top underneath, this will just be so cute on. A pair of biker boots, or you could like put a pair of heels on for like evening time. Again, this kind of like coat or like jacket that you can then put into a dress. I just think it's perfect for, again, nights out, dinners out, whatever else, because it's so warm and so cozy on as well. So really excited to wear that. It's really soft as well. I can't even explain the material. It's kind of like, it is like a coat material, but it's still really soft and feels really high quality, which I love. Oh my god, I actually did forget something before I carry on with the coats and jackets. So picked up a pair of faux leather leggings. I have honestly been on the hunt this autumn winter to find like the perfect pair of leather leggings, or like faux leather leggings. This is the closest I've got, because when I tell you I have tried probably like 6 pairs at this point, this is the only pair I've actually even been able to get on. I feel like because leather, or like faux leather, is quite a stiff material, there's not really a lot of give in it. If it doesn't fit perfectly, like it just doesn't fit at all. So I got these in a size 8. They're just a pair of like high-waisted leggings, as you can see. I just wanted a pair of like leather leggings to go with like oversized jackets, a pair of like heels in the evening time, maybe like that kind of vibe. Just feel like it's a really versatile like thing to have in your wardrobe. It'll go with so many different things. These are still a tiny bit small, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I still want them to be a little bit more high-waisted and just a little bit better in terms of the fit. So I think I'm going to size up and get these in a 10 instead. but they're literally the only pair so far that I've even been able to get on, so I feel like that is a start. But yeah, I really like the actual style of them. They're just really simple, really plain, so I'm going to try these in a 10 and fingers crossed they should fit. And then the next jacket that I picked up, this is a little bit different for me. This is like a faux leather brown jacket, as you can see. I just thought this would be cute for evening times with things that are a little bit more lighter in colour. So say if I'm wearing like a pair of cream trousers or like a little beige mini skirt that I have that I really love, anything like that. I feel like I just wanted a more formal but also not a black jacket to go with those kind of things, if you know what I'm saying. So I really love the fit of this. It's a really like soft leather, or like faux leather of course, but it's a really soft material which I really like, but it's still nice and fitted, and it's got a nice amount of shape to it that it kind of looks really smart and still like a blazer, if you know what I'm saying, because again it is kind of that like blazer but coat halfway in between. So really love that. I'm really excited to style that and see again what I come up with for it. Okay, and then we've got one thing left which I have saved the best item to last. I've had to hang it up because it's literally huge, but I'm gonna go and grab it. Oh my gosh, right. Let me talk to you about this coat a second. I feel like we need a moment of silence for this coat because honestly, I am in love with this coat. Like, I never thought I would be in love with a coat, but I'm in love with this coat. Like, I have to say it. So this coat, let me tell you about this coat, okay? This was on the MISSGUIDED website this time a year ago. So again, for like autumn, winter, but last year. It was constantly out of stock in my size, and honestly I was so upset because I so desperately wanted this coat. Like, I remember talking to like my boyfriend at the time about it, like me and Millie were talking about this coat. Like, I wanted it so bad, but it was just constantly out of stock, so I didn't manage to get it last year. And then I saw it on the website this year. Like, there was no second thought, there was no thought about it. Like, it went in the basket, it's here, and I'm actually in love with it. So this is basically a really oversized long line faux fur white coat, and when I say it's white, like it's white, because all of my other like long line teddy or like bog coats, all of them are cream or like an off-white colour. I don't have anything that is actually like pure white like this. It is so luxurious, like it looks like it should be designer, I'm not even joking. Faux fur coats from MISSGUIDED in general are the best quality, I kid you not. Like, they will last you for years and years and years, providing obviously that you look after them. But I just couldn't not have it. I saw it on the website. It is a little bit more expensive. I feel like it's about, I want to say it's like £90, but for a good quality, like luxurious coat, which this is, it's really like, it feels high end, it feels expensive. I feel like £90, I want to say it's £90, maybe like £100. It's a decent, like it's a good amount of money for a coat like this, in my opinion. I just can't wait to put this on and to just look like a little polar bear and to just live like my best polar bear life. Like, that is the plan with this coat. That is everything that I picked up for this haul anyway. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said, be sure to check out the MISSGUIDED website and all of the clothes that I picked up, which will be linked down below along with my discount code. Make sure you make use of that whilst it is active and usable, and save yourself some money. Thank you so much for watching this video as always. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.